Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I have for you the Burg Wächter Alutitan, 60 millimeters, so it's 6 centimeters wide, and it's supposed to be a premium, 6 of 7 stars, 5 of 6, sorry, and it's Alutitan 770 60 SB, and here you see the width, the width is 60 millimeters. And yeah, looks pretty decent. It's aluminum. It's pretty light for the size, and I believe it's the biggest lock I have right now here. So let's see if we can get in this lock. The key. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. And it's standard Burg Wächter. Let's see if I can get into this baby. I should remove the keys from the shackle. They are a little annoying for me right now. I'm resetting it really quickly. I want to go back. Guess you need a little more tension on this one. Looks like it. Little more tension. This pin 1 is good. Four felt good. There was 2 was also good. Why aren't you opening now? 3 is not good. Should be fine now. And 5. Come on. There it is. Alright, it was not too hard. See, it's a whole aluminum body. Not ball bearing. Yeah. So Alutitan 770-60 picked for you. That's the key again. Not impressed by this lock, but it's nice looking if you have it on a chain or whatever. So if you don't know a lot of locks, this looks intimidating, but it's really not. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.